Welcome back again to Playdays Collectibles from Whittier, California. Part 2 of the video, guys. As I was showing the store, my video went down, guys, which means I had too many videos in my memory, so I had to delete some to continue this. All right, let's do some unboxing, guys. Yeehaw! Check it out. Halloween unboxing, why not, right? Let's see what's in here. Safety first, like always. Remember, whoever's watching this video, including kids and adults, grandmas and grandpas, mothers and fathers, aunts and uncles, do not do this. Very dangerous. I got hurt a couple of times. Even on my videos, I got hurt. Ooh, Japan Historics 3. I don't have any of these no more. Yeah. Nissan Skyline R30, guys. I see you there. All right. The twin. All right. Cool. This is part of the whole 2 sets right here. Look at that. It's a Nissan Silvia. Okay. I think I'm going to make a mess. Nissan Silvia. And 75 Datsun Sunny truck. Okay, that's a nice one. With the yellow. Pretty cool. What else? Oh, show you this. Mazda Cosmo Sport. I see you. Nice white, right? Pretty cool color. Another one right here. Never seen that one in real life. Ooh, 8500 seater turbo. In real life, this car had a little motorcycle on the back. Google it, or look it up on YouTube. Pretty tiny bike. 8500 seater turbo. Okay, it says JDM still. Okay, cool truck. I see you. All right, what else? Ooh, let's see. Got 4 more boxes to go, guys. Let's see. Safety first, like always, not copying. I know some rolls together right now, probably copying somewhere. Here we are. Monopoly. Wow, 2004 Hummer H1. Nice. Look at that. Has some Monopoly piece there. Okay, what else? Ooh, another one. Another one. And another one right here. Who hasn't played Monopoly? I played Monopoly. I was growing up as a little kid. I used to love it. Here it is. All right. Got some more boxes, guys. I think I might just do the boxes only. Because I'm tired. Get out. It's Halloween. Why can't I go home early, right? Ooh, BMW. Look at that. BMW 2002. Ooh, Alfa Romeo Giulia Sprint GTA. Okay. We have a twin here. Look at that. One there. BMW. Okay. Ooh, Ford Escort. Okay. Ooh, Datsun 510. Yeah, 71. I see you there, buddy. Hopefully, you guys, by the time you made it home, when you see this video, you guys made it home safe, okay? 71 Porsche 911. Okay, that's nice. My name is Walker. I remember he came to the store here one time. Nice guy, nice guy. Ooh, another Datsun 510. And Ford Escort. All right. We got 2 more boxes left, guys. All right. Of course, like always. Let me see. Inside here, this is my Halloween candy right here. Let me see. It's 70 Chevy Impala Sport Coupe. Kind of like a purple color. Look at that. But it looks black in the package. So what do you think? It's purple or black? I don't know. I think it looks black. But the picture looks purple. No chase? Nope, no chase, guys. Okay. What else? Another one right here. So far, no chase. Nope, no chase. Another one right here. Look at that. Oh, yeah. What else? More boxes. More boxes. All right, let's see. All right, well, this is my last day to celebrate my birthday, or night. And then tomorrow's November. No, the November babies will be celebrating their birthday for a month. Ooh, yeah. Look at this. Yeah, I didn't want Toyota Starlet. Nice, I didn't have this one. See you. Well, at least got something I needed. All Alright, here's another set. Okay, cool. Ooh, Toyota truck. Yeah, 87 Toyota pickup truck. Nice. Alright, blue. Okay, that's pretty cool. And Toyota 2000 GT. Another Toyota 2000 GT. And Toyota Land Cruiser FJ60. Here's another one. Oh yeah, legendary Toyota Supra. I see you. Alright guys, there it is. One more box left for unboxing. Alright, check it out. See what's in here. It says green light. What could it be? We'll find out right now. Any chases in here? It's 87 Chevy Caprice. Okay, not bad. What else? Another one. Low riders are in, okay? Especially right here down Whittier Boulevard. It's around the corner. Pretty cool. Okay, cool. Another one. Alright, we'll go through this a little bit, guys, and I have to go. Okay, here's, well, Fast and Furious box set. Pretty cool. Look at the Supra, Charger, Jetta, and a truck. Alright, what else? Ooh, 300 ZX. Yeah, my old car. Alright, what else? Mitsubishi Lancer. Okay, I ran out of those. More Lancers. Ooh, look at this. Custom 62 Chevy pickup. Ooh, Lamborghini Huracan. Okay. Look at that, Nissan Skyline C210, number 20 from Boulevards. Ooh, I see you there, buddy. Cool combi. What's in here? Some imports. Oh yeah, look at that. Skyline R30, Mazda RX-7, Datsun 240Z, and Waxilla. And what else? Oh, look at that. Honda CRX, Honda Civic from the Honda set from Walmart a while back. Nissan Skyline R32. And what else? Ooh, Porsche. Yeah, look at that. Skyline R30, Porsche 911 GT3 RS, Porsche 954 Turbo RSR. It was like the one that came the other day. Porsche 911 GT3 RS. Okay, what else? Ooh, Porsche 993 GT2. Okay, the one had like a price or something. Ooh, Bugatti. Okay. These are all goodies right here. Look at that. Datsun 510, Porsche, and BMW. And another BMW right here. Look at that. BMW and Prelude. Okay. What else? Ooh, Dumbo. And it's a bread box. What else do I see in here, guys? I'm not gonna go into that much detail on this. It's 85, 33. It's 85 Chevy Silverado. Charger. Ooh. More walk density stuff. Volkswagen Deluxe station wagon. Pinocchio 66 A100. Red Porsche. And this is the 1970 Dodge Challenger RT. 83 Chevy Silverado 10 feet side. Ooh, Honda CRX. Hey, Batman. Well, there you are, guys. Nissan Buick Regal. Nissan Buick Regal 2. There's two different colors. Prelude. Ninja Turtles. Ninja Turtles. Oh, Volvo. Look at that. Volvo P2 Amazon Estate. Oh, here's a Porsche. Nice. And what's in here? Ooh, Acura. Look at that. Acura NSX GT3. Alright guys, that's it. I have to go. I am tired. Alright everyone, have a beautiful night. Well, this is I made it not that much of a mess. I see a mosquito, guys. I see a mosquito. Let me see. Do I get it? Do I get it? Got away. I think he got away, guys. Let me see. Yep, got away. Anyways, have a good night everyone. Happy Halloween. Make it home safe. And make sure you look at your candy really good. If you went out trick-or-treating, have your parents check your candy really good with a magnet or something. All right, everyone. Have a beautiful night. Prayers follow you guys. Adios.